In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animation videos in Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to turn simple designs into engaging animated clips you can use for social media, presentations, or any kind of digital content. First, open up your design in Canva. You can start from a blank canvas or use any existing template you like. Once your design is open, look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with different options like templates, elements, text, and more. Go ahead and click on Elements. This is where you'll find all the graphics, shapes, icons, stickers, and illustrations that you'll bring to life with animation. After clicking on Elements, you'll see a search bar at the top of that panel. Here, you can type in the kind of element you want to use in your animation. For example, you might search for arrows, characters, shapes, or icons, depending on your project. Take a moment to explore different options. When you find something you like, click on it and it will automatically appear on your canvas. You can resize it by dragging the corners and reposition it by clicking and dragging it around the page. Try to arrange your elements in a way that tells a simple story or guides the viewer's eye. Once your elements are in place, it's time to animate them. Click on the element you want to bring to life. When it's selected, look at the top toolbar of the Canva editor. You'll see an option labeled Animate. Click on Animate, and a panel will open showing different animation styles. Depending on your design type, you might see effects like fade, pan, rise, tumble, and more. Hover over each option to preview how your element will move. Choose an animation that matches the mood and purpose of your video. To take things a step further, click on the option that says Create Animation. This allows you to customize how your element moves across the screen rather than just using a preset effect. You can drag the path to control the direction and speed of the movement and adjust when the animation starts and ends within the scene. This is especially useful if you want multiple elements to move in sequence or interact with one another. When you're happy with how everything looks, play back your design to make sure the timing feels smooth and the animation support your message. From there, you can export your project as a video file and start sharing your new Canva animation.